Hey you guys, a long time no see. I know. Today I'm bringing you a fun video. So let's just get right into it. Nathan James sent me their Theo 5-shelf bookcase and I filmed me building it, putting it together, doing the whole thing. There it is, a little sneak peek right there. It was super easy to put together. I did it all by myself, so I'm gonna show you guys the process of me doing it and everything. I call this like my media room office area. This is my like work from home space. This is where I film, this is where I edit, and this is also where I work. I do have a new job, you guys, so that's a little update from the post-grad diaries for you. It was really nice to spruce up this room a bit since I'm spending a lot more time in here, even more time than I was before with filming and editing in here. So I really enjoyed this and I just love the feel that my space has now that I have this bookshelf in here. Let's get into the video.
Okay, there's nothing to it but to do it. The first thing I started to do was just to clear out the general area of where I was going to put the shelf. I had my mini fridge on the exact wall that I wanted the shelf on. So I had to move my couch and move the mini fridge. Went and did a nice vacuum, which was much needed. And then we got into unboxing the actual product. The name of the product is the Theo bookcase. I got the 5-shelf one. I believe they do have a 6-shelf one. I decided to stand on my couch to unbox it. Not brilliant of me. I would say taking it out of the box was the hardest part, but only because I went about it in a very interesting way. I love that the hardware came in this little hardware box that was like taped inside the box, so it was easy to find and everything. I just got straight to work. The directions were so easy to follow. One of the biggest tips was to not tighten the bolts all the way until you had like all the shelves in place and everything, and I would highly recommend that. I followed those instructions and it worked out very, very well for me. So after I tightened all the bolts, it was time to get this leaned on the wall, you guys, and for this I did need a little bit of help. Other than this little part, I did not need any help from anybody. This was the most difficult / time-consuming part according to the instruction book, but I didn't think it was that hard. Mounting it on the wall was very, very easy. The instructions were so easy to follow, and I just made my little markings on the wall, put the anchor in, and then I drilled the holes and mounted it to the wall. This is it with all of my cute decor on it, and I love it.
Thank you again to Nathan James for sending me this bookshelf. Like I said, it was a breeze to put together. I will have it linked for you guys to shop, and also just Nathan James' general site. This bookshelf is amazing quality, you guys. I would highly, highly recommend it if you're in the market, and they have a bunch of different colors. So there's that, and I'm really excited to create more like home content. You guys know that my dorm tour and also my apartment tour are two of my kind of most popular videos on my channel, and I just genuinely love creating content like that. So I'm going to keep doing it. And Nathan James, if you would love to send me some more pieces, I'd love that so much. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.